I bought the cheapest running pit bike on Kijiji. I'm gonna show you what it is. We're gonna go for a ride. Drum roll, please. Drum roll! Here she is. This is a 2007 Yamaha PW80. It's a 2-stroke, 80cc, and it gets the job done. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention the price. It was $500. You can't get anything like this for $500, any brand name Japanese bike. So no clutch on this thing, and it's a 3-speed, 3 up. So I'm in second, we'll downshift to first, and give her some beans. I love this thing because you can rip around the yard as much as you want and you don't rip up the grass at all. That's what's nice about a little pit bike. If you're into pit bikes, you probably want to see how this thing wheelies. I've been looking for one of these for about 2 years as well, so it's nice to finally have one to rip around on. Nice one. Oh, chain fell off too. Yeah, the chain's pretty loose on this thing. It needs a little bit of maintenance. See if we can get her back on here. There we go. Good as new. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see some more of this thing. I'd love to do more of this on the channel. This was just a quick glimpse of the new toy. Peace.